Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a tie rod replacement on a 2010 Jetta TSI. Hope you enjoy the video.
What size wrench?
10 triple.
10 triple square?
Yeah.
2 triple 10s for the sway bar mount. And which size you got there?
18.
Both?
Yeah.
There was 18 for the bottom?
No.
What size is the bottom?
21.
2 21s?
21 bolt with a nut, yeah.
So this is the 21 that's... So it looks like we had to loosen the sway bar mounts to get to these bolts over here.
Pretty good alignment right there.
Alrighty guys, thanks for joining me today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and always see you on the next.